Dear traders, in this video, I'm going to tell you about a secret indicator that is going to make millions of profits in TradingView. So the combination of two indicators I will be telling you here in this video. So you have to watch this video till the end so that you can get the points or the tips to enter into the market for taking maximum profits. Okay, before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which book I'm using for my trading, that is XNES. If you want to open your account with XNES, you will have the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, standard cent, raw spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods. Plus they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you're interested to open your account with XNES, you can get the link in the description of my video. Okay, here I have chosen the gold chart. The gold chart, as this is this is a pair that is gold USD or the Bitcoin USD are the pairs that can give you the highest profits when you will be using it according to the instructions that I am going to tell you. And the time frame that I have chosen here is the 3 minutes. The indicators that we are going to use here, the first indicator is the limited Fisher transform. This is by Fate Arrow. 546 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. The second indicator that we are using here is the super trend MTF high Kineshi by Lonisom. 4,789 traders are using this indicator. You have to click on this one and close this search button. Okay, here I have these two charts. As you can see, now our chart will be looking like this. Now I will go into the settings of super trend indicator setting. I will uncheck into the style section the super trend, and then I will go into the input section. I will change ATR factor from 2 to 2.5 and click OK. I will show you the settings of limited Fisher transform indicator as well. Its length is 9, super limit is 80 and lower limit is 20. And the style is also shown here, so we are not going to change anything into it. Click OK. I want to tell you that first of all, you have to see that this is the indicator that is the limited Fisher transform indicator that is giving us the buy signal and the sell signals, which are showing that our market is in the overbought or in the oversold level. Always remember, there is a line, center line, that is the 0 level line, and the oversold level will be the 20 level and the overbought level will be 80 level. Okay, whenever our market will be in the oversold level, the market will take trend reversal and it will go above in the bullish trend. And whenever our market will be in the overbought level, there will be a signal by the indicator, the sell signal, and it will take the trend reversal and it will definitely come down for the bearish trend. And this is about a super trend indicator that is also showing us the levels of indicator. The market trend is shown with the help of this indicator. If our market has the downtrend, then always our market should be below this red color line, and if our market has the uptrend, then always our market will be above this blue color line. So we have to take the entry into the market accordingly. Okay, first of all, if I say you that our market has gone into the overbought level, then an indicator that is the limited Fisher transform indicator will give us the sell signal. As you can see, two strong signals are given by the indicator. So we have to look towards our second indicator that is giving us the signal that yes, you can take the entry into the market for the sell signal. But here, till here we have taken the entry, but right after that our market has gone below this and then it has taken again the pull. You can see it is a reversing condition where we can see the super trend indicator as well, that is showing us that this is the buy signal entry or it is a bullish trend. So our market should be above this blue color line. We will take the entry into the market for this and we will take the profit till here in the 3 minutes time frame. Okay, afterwards we will see that our market has taken the trend reversal from here, and after that we have got the signal of buy from here, and you can see that our market is still here. Now our market has gone below this red color line, so we have to take the entry into the market for the bearish trend, for the sell signal, and that is how we will take the entry into the market for our strong signal. Okay, here we have got the buy signal from the market trend, but here we have to wait for this. Our market has to take the trend reversal, and afterwards we will see that again our market is going above to this. So we will see that if our market is here, then it is going above this, although it is giving us some fake signals, but we will take only those signals which are powerful and according to the requirement of our market entry. If we go into the Euro USD, you will also see here that our market is giving us, for example, here the buy signal. So we will see that our market will take the entry into the market, will enter into the market for the bullish trend. Okay, and then we have seen that if our market will cross this line, red color line, then we have to avoid trading, because now it will take the trend reversal and it will definitely have a bearish trend. So this is all about the strategy. I hope the strategy is clear to you. So do use it for your own trading, and do not forget to like and subscribe my video, and do share it with your own friends. Thank you for watching it.